It's your boys, is you back with another video, back with another banger. You must have time. Anyway, today we're reacting to another closer song. Bathini Ngam, Bravo Le Rocks and Pretty Ugly featuring INkosi Yamandebele, the GOAT. INkosi, of course, hottest up, the best ever to ever do it in Cape Town. Maybe the world so globally. We never know, dog. Anyway, let's just get into the video and react.
Welcome to Langa News. We're here today in the
EB, my boy, he's in the video.
And we're hearing there's a genocide of goats getting slaughtered. Goats are getting slaughtered left, right, and center. Wait, I'm hearing there's 3 more goats roaming the streets of Cape Town. Can we get more news on the story? Please.
Of course, INkosi is not getting slaughtered. 3 goats running around Cape Town. INkosi is there. I don't give a fuck. INkosi is there. It's obvious. Call it glaze. Technical glaze and the this is a fuck on the glaze and I'm go. Sure.
I heard.
Nah, the fact that they got goats like running around the field is crazy. To show that, you know, it's like we relate. Like this is us. You are your environment. This is us. This is crazy concept of the visual.
I heard they talking about the goat, but Ngam. And I thought I saw a ghost, but it's really some. I was talking to your fro, she a freaky hun. And she said she wanna go with me and give me some. I heard they talking about the goat, but Ngam. And I thought I saw a ghost, but it's really some. I was talking to your fro, she a freaky hun.
I thought I saw a ghost, but it's Billy Sam, a ghost. Because his slang is like someone that's dope. I saw a ghost, but it's Billy Sam, it's me, dog. Fuck you on about. I am the ghost, I am the dope nigga. Pretty ugly. I don't even have to play. It's pretty ugly. We don't. It's pretty ugly. Of course, the chorus is over to him.
She said she wanna go with me and give me some.
It's a wash. Ingini bayayazi. Amanani awatoki go black whoop
Amanani awatoki gold plaque ufakazi. First rapper in Cape Town to ever get a gold plaque. Shut the fuck up. What are you talking about? Nitini. First rapper gold. Yebami goyazi golite gold. Con fakazi posted it on IG. Stop playing. Come on.
Uchupeti namba kote pose mo abakwazi. Unteli mpudu paku.
Thidange nongazaziyo wena. Uthetha ngemathematics ongayaziyo. Abakwazi kule nawo bakwazi khona funa uthetha ndizazi zwe.
Ayazi amanani awatoki go black wubufakazi. Uchupeti namba kote pose mo abakwazi. Unteli mpudu paku through ngathi ndlala makhasi jo. Yimizuzu yazithola ndilihuzu. Clipper 54 iskhata sigqitha kwamaphuzu. Yeah, disezo winner nithanda ningathandi bathi taxi inyukile imali phansi komatrasi ngo.
I heard they
Taxi nyukile. I don't even use the card anymore. Until sebenzisa card. Taxi nyukile. Fuck on my trust. Don't play. That's smart. Bravo, dog. Every day, like dog. I don't get paid using cards. Cash. Fuck on my trust. That's crazy. Oh, bravo, sayazi mi mal class funi. Asas always attract. Sayazi class funi malis ya. You won't dare kill location.
about the goat, but Ngam. And I thought I saw a ghost, but it's really some. I was talking to your fro. The goat, but Ngam. And I thought I saw a ghost, but it's really some. I was.
I like this music video, Neitana. This is the best music video to ever be released in Cape Town. I think I like it. Neitana. Skin Neitana.
Talking to your fro, she a freaky hun. And she says says you wanna go with me and give me some. I heard they talking about the goat, but Ngam. And I thought I saw a ghost, but it's Billy Sam. I was talking to your fro, she a freaky hun. And she said she wanna go with me and give me some.
Bathini Ngam, Bathini Ngam, the bava by a ring up, Bathini Ngam, say Bathini Ngam, Bathini Ngam, the bava by a door, Bathini Ngam.
I don't care. This is the best verse. This is the best verse in the song. And Gaiva, this is fire. Let's just stop. INkosi has the best verse. Let's stop. See, there's no comparison though. No comparison. Bravo's verse is dope. Even Pretty Ugly's chorus is dope as fuck.
Bathini Ngam, Bathini Ngam, the bava by a door, Bathini Ngam, Ganya piggy son.
Holy shit! Extended tuning up. Then the car drift. Ngani piggy sound. The way it's like a transition. They play the sound of the video with the car drifting. Then by what rap goes dope. I gotta tell you bars, just by editing it, you made the verse doper. Whoever the editor is. Take to Bulai.
Bathini Ngam, Ganya piggy son. Funu hlinzi goat, banasibindi sam. First verse.
Bars. Nifunu hlinzi goat, abanasibindi sam. Abafunu hlinza. They don't have the audacity. They don't have the guts to like to hlinza me. They don't. At the same time saying nifunu hlinzi goat like anasibindi sam and hlinzanga. Inspectang sibindi sam. So go shit. Bars.
Bathini Ngam, Ganya piggy son. Funu hlinzi goat, banasibindi sam. First verse, I raise it bar. Then I go praise the far. Second times I Benny car, they too slow, that's chaisa. 10 times I vanish, cause there's bullish. At 15 and funi down. Shows dance young.
You know what the crazy thing is? Facts. Like the first verse, second verse, third verse, and he's already popping. He's being praised afar. This features out and Lamaga release. The third time I release. What happened? He's already goated. The hottest the kappa. Just by one song and 2 features. Shut the fuck up. Tulan shh. Goat. Gas lepok. Tja. Das X. Call it glazing. I don't care. That was alone. Exactly. I'm glazing. I'm going to do. What are you gonna do? I'm glazing.
They too slow, that's chaisa. 10 times I vanish, cause there's bullish. At 15 and funi down. Shows dance young now. Years later send charge out.
15. I've been doing this since 15, dog. Ever since I was 15. You think because you see these 3 songs, you think that's I've been doing this now. You see I'm dope now. Kinda I've been doing this since I was 15 years old, dog. You think Ghost is all about comedy and that stuff, Pelele, but nah, he's been rapping ever since, multi-talent, bitch. Dali enza liwi, dali kuba liwi, dali nyathela, yes.
Bad bitches in Pilisan, Malilande line, Demba no Pigisan. Bathini Ngam.
Bad bitches in Pilisai, Malilande like brand. Sir.
The bava by a ring up, Bathini Ngam, say Bathini Ngam, Bathini Ngam, the bava by a door, Bathini Ngam.
I heard they talking about the goat, but Ngam. And I thought I saw a ghost, but it's really some. I was talking to your fro, she a freaky hun. And she said she wanna go with me.
I don't even have to say anything about pretty. Pretty ugly is pretty ugly. C'est smart. C'est dope.
Give me some. I heard they talking about the goat, but Ngam. And I thought I saw a ghost, but it's Billy Sam. I was talking to your fro, she a freaky hun. And she said she wanna go with me, give me some.
She was dope, dog. Shout out to everyone who was in the directors. Like you see the shooters and editors. The editor is crazy though. With the INkosi with nah, this shit is crazy. Anyway, it's your boy Zizi. The Ngam out.